Let's go look at the creek. Because it's flooding again. Oh yeah. Hi, kitty cat. Let's go look at the creek. See how bad the creek is up. I bet motherfucker. Damn. Yep, she's running pretty good. What the hell? What the hell's that? Some kind of pipe. What kind of pipe that is? Let's take a look behind the building. Look at this fucking mess. Wow. Fucking creek running through the yard. Gee whiz. All that water is under the house too. I know it is. Yep, it's definitely gonna be a big mess. Damn, let's walk down here. See if it's over the road. There's the pipe going under the road, but it's not over the road yet. God, hot water. Alright, I'm gonna go back in the house. And probably do a dab. Put this on Facebook and put this on YouTube. Hi, kitty cat. Oops, I didn't mean to blind you. There's another kitty cat. Hi, Peeper. Is that Peeper or Garfield? I think it's Peeper. Hi, Peeper. Hi, buddy. Come here. What are you doing? Hi there. You're going to be on Facebook and YouTube. This is Mr. Peeper getting wet in the rain. Bring it on the porch.